We are all set and ready to go for another Cedar Sense sauna trip. This one right here is an MW16 from Mandy Spa. And once we get it set up for a client, it's gonna kind of look like the MW12, but a little bigger. So yes, heading down to Chanhassen, Minnesota to slap this up for a client tomorrow. We're gonna go stay at a buddy's house of mine. I live there, and then get her up in the morning. So enjoy the Cedar Sense sauna trip. Chanhassen, Minnesota. Here we go.
Time is on my side. Yes, it is.
Here we are in Chanhassen at the client's place. We're going to be bringing it right back there. Starting just to unload right now. And the challenge is 2 people to make it under 8 hours. So we're starting right before 9 o'clock. Got everything we need. We're gonna try to get the MW16 done in under 8 hours. Let's see if we can do it. We are about a half hour in. Just about everything getting laid out. Dan's gonna start working on the base. Oh, I think we can do it in 8 hours. Oh, it matters how many air conditioner breaks we take. Same here. I'm a big dork in shorts and work boots right now, but I don't care.
Searching for good times, but just wait and see. You come running back, I'll say a word, darling. You come running back, spend the rest of my life with you. You come running back to me.
Base is built. We are going to start on the front wall now, and it is, I would say, hour and 20 minutes in. So I think we're still doing pretty good here.
Remember, I'll always be around, and I know, like I told you so many times before, you're gonna come back, maybe. You're gonna come back, baby. Nothing, but I will. I know, yeah. Time is on my side.
All right. It is 11:35. We've got the front and back wall up. Now we're going to start cooking on the other walls. What do you think, Bob? We're giving ourselves a challenge here.
Looks like it should, I suppose.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Starting to get there. Well, I think we're going to get it. But watch
You
it.
come running back. You come try me afraid. You come running back to me. Yeah. Time.
It is officially 2:25, and that means we are 5.5 hours into this, and the benches are done, the door is in. Now we just got to finish her out, so 2.5 more hours. Can we do it? I think we can.
I can't get no satisfaction. I can't get no
3:30. We have an hour and a half to go. Think we got this, Dan? That's right. Rope is on, ready to go. Dim the stain, little bit of face. I think we got it. Calling our
I
shots.
call and a man comes on the radio. He's telling me more and more about some useless
Well, it is 4:41. I don't think we're gonna hit our 8 hours, Dan. Hey, that's right. We had to go get roofing nails that are supposed to be in there. That was 20 minutes. Had to go get silicone. That was 20 minutes. I think without those 2 little trips, we'd have made her. But we're still plucking away. We'll still get her done in good time.
3 hours later.
All right, it's a little past 8 o'clock. We kind of missed our deadline by just a few hours. We started at 9 o'clock, we finished at 8 o'clock, so my Cass Lake Mass says that's 11 hours that we spent on this sauna. I heard through the grapevine they talk about it being 4 to 5 hours. I don't know, unless you got a crew of about 10 people, maybe. But just me and Danny, my partner, together, it took us all of 11 hours, and that's pushing it. Really no breaks. A couple things about the MW16. is it looks amazing when it's done. It's definitely a little higher advanced. I wouldn't come out here as a beginner trying to maybe put this together yourself. I'd have a little bit more skill level, let's say. A lot of this face, especially with this one, this is the first time we've ran into this with Manny Spa. Had to be cut with angles that we had to make ourselves. So if that's something you're uncomfortable with doing, I wouldn't recommend trying to do a DIY with one of the Manny Spa Cube saunas quite yet. Maybe if they work out a few little kinks and they get a little better at a few things, tiny little things, she'll be ready for that. But other than that, this thing is a beautiful sauna when she's all said and done. Bob, I don't know, man. Are you happy with it?
Looks beautiful.
That's all that matters at the end of the day. So whether it took us 6 hours, 8 hours, 11 hours, Bob's happy with it, we're happy with it, and yeah, we'll see you at the next one.
Satisfaction. No satisfaction.